What is up, you guys? Back at it again with another video. Today is a good day. Good day for one of the homies. After a lot of back and forth, he finally got his whip, and you guys will see that shortly. Let me just stop talking and let's get going. There you have it. The homie got the WRX. Shit's fucking clean.
Fuck that lube, nigga.
But he already had these muffler deletes laying around, so gonna put them on.
Weight reduction.
Sheesh.
Got all dirty.
Damn.
I want to be in your vlog.
Then this is the homie's car right here. Got the 392. It's kind of slow. Dude, this thing is hella clean. Fucking 6-speed manual. Bruh. Hey, how you feeling?
What?
How you feeling with the new whip?
Good.
Dang, I should have gotten like a before and after, but I kind of lagged to get here, so you guys are just getting an after. But dang, this thing shines, and he just picked it up today, like 3 hours ago. But it's already not gonna be stock. I know muffler delete isn't like full bolt-on or anything, but that's like, bruh, he just got home and he's already doing the muffler deletes. That's sick.
You want me to do that?
If you want. Oh, it goes back.
No,
No, this is oh fuck.
this one. Are you sweating?
No.
Oh,
I am.
what's that water coming out?
I don't know. That's with nothing on there. That's just gonna. It gets louder, right? Alright, there.
Oh, alright, turn it off.
Damn. That turbo spool just sounds so good. Hopefully it gets louder, because I was kind of like.
Expecting something louder?
I was expecting it to be a little bit louder, but I mean,
I know in videos actually.
turbo cars normally are way quieter than naturally aspirated, but still should be like decently loud. We'll see right now. So we slid these things in. It's just 2 hangers. It's pretty like simple, but now we just need to tighten this up and then do the other side, and we'll see what it sounds like.
I need to fucking, if anything, bro. Like,
I didn't want to fucking lift these. Alright, so we got both the exhausts on. We're running no gaskets because the gaskets that we got didn't fit. So, yeah, I mean, moment of truth. Oh my god.
rev it more.
Dang, that thing sounds so good. You have an exhaust leak.
Yeah, you can.
Pretty easy install. Just 2 ratcheting 14 and a wrench, and yeah, that gets you these. These things are freaking heavy, like, bruh. Weight reduction right there for sure. Yeah, let's see if we get some drive-by footage. I'm not too sure. If not, then I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so from a quick little drive, this shit sounds amazing. Like this, like the gurgles that it gives, like in between shifts, first to second. Amazing. It looks like it pulls. This fool was hitting the turns all fast. I mean, I don't know what plans this guy has for the car, but sheesh. This is the beginning. Alright, so I was ending the video, but it's not gonna end. I'm gonna go test drive this car, see what it does. Oh, in cabin it's kind of cold. It's kind of cool. In cabin it's kind of quiet, but outside it's pretty loud. Not even gonna lie. That all-wheel drive, bro, that shit's no joke. That's my first time ever driving like an all-wheel drive car like that hard. And bro, that shit feels good. Bro, how you feeling?
That shit's sick.
Congrats, homie. Hard work does really pay off. This shit is nice as fuck. I'm about to take off on him and not pick him up. I'm gonna see if he wants to drive it or not. Because fuck, I'll take this shit. Alright, so now for sure, this shit is fucking sick. That was like a proper, it wasn't even a proper install, but like, that was an install and like a drive-by, so what else could you ask for? Alright guys, now for real, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.